In this video, I will show you how to buy an Amazon gift card with a debit card. So to do this, just go to amazon.com, and then what you want to do first is just go to your account. So you can just hover over this in the top right, and from there go to account. And now here you can then go to your payments, and then click add a payment method. From here just add a credit or debit card. And then here enter your debit card details and then click on add your card. So after you add in the card, what you can then do is search for Amazon gift card. And then you can select any of these Amazon gift cards. I'll just select an e-gift card right here. Then you can choose if it's for a special occasion. You can choose how much you want it to be for and how the delivery is. So through email or text message. They can enter the recipient's email address, and if it's a gift, you can enter the gift message and your name. Then you choose when you want it to be delivered. And then from there, you can go and click on add to cart. And after adding it to your cart, go and click on proceed to checkout. And then from here, you can then use your debit card to go and make the payment. So that's how to buy an Amazon gift card with a debit card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.